Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable respect teacher and my fellow friends. Today, I stand before you to talk about a critical issue that impact all of us in campus Bina Sorana Informatica is smoking. Smoking in campus is not just a personal, it's a dangerous habit with consequences about our health, our environment, and our future. It's not just the smokers who are at risk. Passive smokers who are forced to inhale secondhand smoke are also as dangerous. The campus is supposed to be a place of learning, growth, and healthy environment because cigarettes contain over 4,000 harmful chemicals, include nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide, are known to cause diseases like cancer, heart problems, and respiratory issues. Therefore, smoking has no place here and is better kept away from the campus environment. Furthermore, it affects the health and well-being of everyone on a campus, include those who do not smoke. Smoking is also a waste of money. Their money could be used for book, tuition, or other more productive thing for your future. In fact, negative that the car distract from from our main goal getting on education. Therefore, I urge all of us to support and adhere to the smoking ban on our campus. Be a part of the solution, not the problem. Make choice to be heartily, be successful, and build a better future from ourselves and our country. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon to all the teachers and friends. Let me introduce myself. I am David Hernan Salim, and my name 19250325. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most important foundations in English, German, the simple present tense. Mastering this tense is truly fundamental. Why? Because we use it every day. Emphasize the word every day to explain our habit or the fact that exists in this world. Let's dive deeper. In this 12-slide presentation, we will cover the 6 main, very practical points. We'll start with the definition, then move on to the most crucial part, the formula and sentence structure. After that, we'll focus on the special rule for adding s and less. And finally, we'll conclude with a short exercise and strong closing. Ready? What is the simple present tense? Simply put, the simple present tense is most basic and most frequently used tense. Its focus is on doing action that occur repeatedly or thing that are permanent. So this stance is not about what you are doing right now, like watching this video, but what you do generally or what is simply true thing about your routine. Let's look at this primary function. First, habit and routines. Action we perform regularly. From a sample, drink coffee every morning. Is my habit. Second, general truths and facts. There, they are things whose true in universally accepted. Show us the sunrise in the east. For both of their function, we use the same basic structure. The tree function is for fixed schedule and plan. This point often catch people out, even though the event is in the future, because the schedule is certain, like a train timetable or class schedule. Still use the simple present tense. Example: the train left at 78. 78. The schedule is fixed, so the formula remains simple present. Here is the core part. Positive formula. Basic rule is subject plus verb part. However, there is one crucial rule that you must remember. For the three-person singular subject, he, she, and it, the verb must added with ending is or is. Remember, is well we read become she reads. To create a negative sentence, we need help the auxiliary verb do and does. The key he, she, it use doesn't. Other subject use don't and must importantly after use do or does. The main verb written to its best form verb 1 without s or s. Look at the example. She doesn't read a new book. We apply the same pattern from a question sentence. We place do or does at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject and the best form verb 1. Easy, right? Example: does she go to school? The short answer will also use the same auxiliary verb. Yes, she does, or not, she nods. Let's clarify the S or S addition rules again. The only applies to he, she, it in positive sentence. Really, we just add S, but there is and the S exception. We must add S when the verb and will specific letter. Show us O, ook, sus, X, and Z. Z. The best examples are watch becomes watch and go becomes goes. This detail is a common resource of mistake. What if the sentence doesn't have an action verb? For example, she is a teacher. Well, we use the normal simple present which use the auxiliary verb to be. I am, is, are. Remember, the pair I am for I, is for she, it, and are for you, we, they. The to be is followed by a complement. Example, she is happy, or I am a student. Very simple, right? Finally, to help identify the simple present, we often use a time signal. Pay attention to a verb of frequency like always, usually, and often, or repetition phrases such as every day or on a weekend. The words are the clues that the sentence use the simple present tense. So to conclude, let's try to pick session to test your understanding. 1. The earth revolves around the sun. In fact, the subject is it. So use verb plus s. 2. My brother doesn't like spicy food. Negative. The subject is he. So use doesn't and the best verb 1. Alright, we have reached the end of this presentation. I hope this material on the simple present tense can help you understand the basic of English grammar. Always remember the verb plus s or s. Remember the rules as your main key in this tense. Thank you very much for your time and attention. See you in the next material. Keep learning.